Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to sign into your Google account in 2025. Whether you're setting up a new device, accessing Gmail, or logging into YouTube, getting signed in is your first step to unlocking the Google ecosystem. I'm excited to walk you through this quick process step by step, so you can do it in under a minute. First things first, grab your device, whether it's a computer, phone, or tablet, and open your preferred web browser or the Google app. If you're on a computer, head over to google.com. You'll see the Google search bar at the top. Right next to it, look for the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. It's usually in the top right corner. Once you're on the Sign In page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Google account. Type that in carefully and hit Next. Google might ask you to verify it's you, especially if you're on a new device, but don't worry, that's for your security. Next up, enter your password. Make sure it's the correct one. If you've forgotten it, there's an option to reset it right there. After you type in your password, click Next again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend for keeping your account safe, you'll get a code sent to your phone or email. Enter that to proceed. And just like that, you're in. You'll be redirected to your Google homepage or the service you were trying to access. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your internet connection or try clearing your browser cache. In 2025, Google has made things even smoother with enhanced security features, so keep an eye out for options like passkeys for faster logins. There you have it. That's how easy it is to sign into your Google account. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay connected and safe online.